So our plan is to remove this central excision and do the Grisotti flap and reconstruct the central area with the skin paddle with using Grisotti. CC view and this is MLO view. So you can see CC and ML written here.
Okay.
This is right breast, this is left breast. This side also right breast and left breast. So this is also 52-year lady. So she presented with a small ulceration in the left side of the NAC. You can see here NAC is little bit thickened here, right? In the left side with my pen, right?
Yes, sir.
And there is a microcalcification here. This was biopsied, this microcalcification, and it came as DCIS. So our plan is to remove this central excision and do the Grisotti flap and reconstruct the central area with the skin paddle with using Grisotti. So this is the Grisotti flap marking.
Yes, sir.
This is left side of the breast. So this is inframammary line on the left side.